Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, let's go and have a look at silver. Oh, silver, good old silver, right? Gold, gold's looking pretty awesome as well too. Oh, maybe we're getting ready for a turning point. Getting ready for a turning point. It's about to turn. And GDX and GDXJ, let's have a look at what we're seeing here. All right, so what we're seeing here right now, guys, you're looking at a 1,000-foot view of what these markets are doing right now, okay? We're looking at, obviously, gold to the absolute left here, looking at silver, and we've got the daily chart to the top, the weekly chart to the bottom. We have the GDX through here and the GDXJ. Now, some of you guys are going, John, I can't see a thing on this chart. You can. And this is one of the most powerful things you can do when reading the markets. You can see where's the flow and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, so let's focus on gold first. I want to focus on gold first because let's go have a look at gold. In fact, let me just bring up, this is the gold chart here. All right, on a short-term basis, what are we getting? Nice little pullback, but we're getting actually a very strong bounce off this resistance level here, But let's actually move forward here. I want to show you something here, okay? This long-term weekly chart, let me blow this weekly chart up here for a minute. As we can see that this long-term weekly chart, we had a good level of support down through here as well, and that's through there, okay? But as we can see that there was also this whole triangle, this whole channel that's been in place. And as you can see that we've got a very, very, very nice upward channel, all right? We have a movement through there, You can see here on gold, right, that we have all this support level through here. Notice how the market's respecting it. See, guys, when I'm drawing trend lines, it's not a matter of whether I think the trend line is right. All that matters is the market respecting. And as you can see, right, it's actually respecting off it right this time as I speak. So we're respecting this middle line as well too. We've got all that support level through there. So if I go now and I squeeze that back up again, that was the weekly chart there, okay? Let's go look at the daily charts. And let's actually put the trend lines back on again. Bam. Look what happened just recently, okay? We came down through here, we had a nice pullback through here, and now we're actually getting a very nice bounce off this level. All right, so if I open up my charts a bit more, you'll be able to see a nice little reversal sort of bar, right? So we're not out of the woodworks yet, meaning like this short-term pullback, we're not out of the woodworks yet for an upside movement, but we are getting close, okay? We're getting very, very close. The market's selling off through here, but the thing is that we're getting ready for some sort of turning point soon out of gold and silver, and the market actually hasn't sold off quite strongly. So I'm seeing this thing getting ready for a turning point here. So we may get another 1 or 2 down days to the downside. We're not out of the woodworks, as I said before, we're not out of the woodworks yet, but once we do start to see this thing turn again, we're probably likely to go for a very, very, very nice run to the upside. So we're in a very big bull market, guys. We're at 2 major levels of support. And in fact, if I just let me bring this chart up to here so I can show you what I mean. What's this chart here? All right, let's go to this chart here. All right, and look at this here, right? Look at this here. See how we're just having a little small pullback and we've got this little bit of candlestick pattern through here. Right at this level of what? That's actually that chart there. Right, that level there, right? That's actually a lot of stuff on the line in there. A lot of stuff there. Anyway, that resistance point there. Let me actually delete that off the trend line. Look at this here. Resistance, now becoming a lot of support. Lots of support through here. So, what I'm seeing right now, guys, is I'm actually seeing a bit of a turning point going to happen soon. We may get a little bit more downside, but the overall is the next juncture is another nice move to the upside coming really, really, really shortly. Let's go have a look at the good old silver. Silver's doing what? Silver has been a lackluster dog for years. When a market is a lackluster dog for years, get ready for exciting movement for years. That's the way it goes, right? When the market goes, the whole calm before the storm analogy, right now silver's been pretty much between that $18 range and the $14 range for, let's have a look through here. We have had Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, Z5 years of not much going on. You best believe that when we start to break above here, much is going to go on. And then everyone all over the news is going to say, oh my goodness, silver is taking off like a rocket. That's the time to get out of that thing, by the way. Anyway, so we can see what's happening here right now. Lackluster dog. But look at this here. We actually broke well below this major support level around $14. And now we've rallied back up. And now we're just holding here. Why is that important? Because one, if the market does see a bit more of a sell-off through here, now this is a weekly chart, remember? Market does see a bit of a sell-off. We've got that major level support around that $14 level, somewhere around about there. That's the first thing I want to share with you. Let's go to the daily chart now. Daily charts here, all right? So look at this here. On this daily chart, look what's happened, right? So once again, guys, if I bring up, let me go to this silver chart here for a minute. And as you can see on the candlestick, what I'm talking about here, we hit that level, and we had a bit of a backing pattern, and that's where we're at right now, okay? We see, as you can see, we're not getting strong sell-off. We're not getting a thump down, right? We're getting a slow pullback, slow selling, right? That's actually bullish. So let's actually go back to that daily chart. Let's actually go back to this daily chart here once again. Let's bring on the good old trendy lines, okay? The trendy lines. And as you can see that we're well above this level through here, and we do have this latest level through here as well too, is also a level of support, right? Or the recent level of resistance is now becoming what? Support. So we're getting a very weak pullback, and once again, just like gold, we may get a little bit more downward movement, but I'm telling you right now, guys, a turning point and a big run, especially in silver, is likely to happen. And I actually have a target at the top of this channel up here. So 1850 is my target of where I think silver is going to get to, probably by the end of this year. So I'm very bullish silver overall, guys, and I think this is going to be a very, 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 very exciting move once we start to pick back up and once we start to see this thing really, right? That's the terminology. And guys, if you have TC2000 just like me, and you do some funky dunky coding, when the market starts to pick up, it starts to move, and it really starts to gallop, for some reason when you turn it on, that noise comes on. I don't know why. I'm just joking, guys. But I do see these things like to pick up and start to gallop like a horse. That being said, actually, you know what? There is no that being said. That's the bottom line. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Silver and gold right now, and you can see this little pullback here in silver. I see silver being a very, very, very nice move to the upside. Now, let's go have a look at the GDX through here. GDX is looking what? Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy. Anyway, what a professional video for finance. Anyway, I love these markets, especially when you really, really get a good clear of how to read these markets, guys. So, what's happened here? Massive V bottom, right? People say V bottom. Look at that. If that's not a V bottom, I don't know what is. Massive move down, massive move back up. What is that? Huge V bottom. What does that mean? It's likely to be a bottom. Right? Pretty simple, right? Anyway, so, but if I bring up my good old trendy lines, we can see that was that major level of resistance through here. And once we break this major level of resistance, which is around that $30 level, as we can see, right, this around this say 30, just above $30 level. This is the weekly chart, remember? Then we're gonna that gallop, right, back up to 42. So that's where we're gonna go. If I go back now and we bring up the daily charts, as we can see on the daily charts, right, V bottom, right? Look at this here, massive, massive V bottom action. Don't you love it, right? Big strong move down, big strong move up. What does that mean? We've likely bottomed, V-bottom. So, we're doing a bit of a nothing going on right now, a bit of a sideways movement through here, right? And if I open up my chart just a little bit more, we can see we're in a very, very, very nice stair-stepping movement. So, if I bring up my good old trendy lines, remember these trend lines were from the weekly chart. So this major resistance level here is from that weekly chart, right? If we start to get a nice back above this level through here. Oh man, what a video today. I see that sound at 42. We break 32, and next stop is 42. Now, probably not straight away, guys, if we do that. If we do that, yes, it may do this pretty quickly. And wouldn't that be lovely? Lovely. But we're probably likely to break through, go for a bit of run, and then have a bit of pullback, scare people with the tops in, and then go for a run, and then go sideways, and then shoot back up and hit the target. That's probably what's likely going to happen overall. But overall, me lucky GDXJ, lucky GDXJ, right? So that's what I'm seeing through there. Very, 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 very nice moves likely to come out of the GDX. And if I look at the GDXJ, this is one guy that gets me a bit tickled, right? A little bit tickled, you know. It's like when you walk down and actually no, that's. I was gonna say it's like when you're a guy and you walk down and you see a really, really, really gorgeous woman. It's like, man, that tickled me. But anyway, that happened in my 20s. It doesn't bother me anyway right now. They're all the same. Women's are women, right? Whether they're gorgeous or not, they all have the same issues. We could anyway. Look at this here. Look at this lackluster dog. Remember I said before about silver? When there's a lackluster dog for years, that means it's going to be crazy times for years. Means the calm before the storm. And man, this has been a sleeping giant for a long time. You best believe once we start to get back above this level, this $50 level here, it is on its way to the moon. On its way to the moon. And that's what I see there, guys, with the GDX. Last but least, guys, a little final note. I am closing down my Master Trader Lab free trial. You get brand new trainings every month, just like some of the good stuff that you've learned today. Also, monthly coaching sessions as well too. You also get access to the mastermind that I've got as well too. I'm in there throughout the week, posting stuff and helping people. And also, you get access to about 5 different trading courses focusing on the foundations, the trading systems, chart reading strategies, and a whole bunch more. Millionaire mindset. How my mentor made $1.8 million in one trade, and so much more in there. All the bonuses and the free trial goes away today, guys. So if you go to mastertraderlab.com, that's mastertraderlab.com, grab your free trial, and hey, if you're not happy, let me know, and you'll never be billed. So, but the free trial, guys, ends today. Go to mastertraderlab.com right now to grab your free trial.